In this video, I'll show you how to make Microsoft Teams files always open in the desktop app instead of the browser. This is quick, easy, and makes editing files much smoother. To get started, open Microsoft Teams on your computer. Next, click the three dots in the top right corner, then select Settings. From the left menu, click Files and Links. Under File Open Preference, choose Desktop App. Once selected, any Word, Excel, or PowerPoint file you open in Microsoft Teams will now automatically open in the desktop app instead of the browser. This setting helps prevent formatting issues and gives you access to all desktop features, especially if you're working with large or shared files. And that's it. You've successfully set Microsoft Teams files to always open in the desktop app. If this video helped, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on notifications for more Microsoft Teams tips and tutorials.